Sai Ram, join your hands, close your eyes, and start Omkar thrice. Om. Sai Ram children. So today I will take your test in the chapter 4, but I will wait for some time because more and more children join. Then all of you know about the chat box, है ना, where you write the Sai Ram and all these things, है ना. So here in this chat box, I will share the link, and when you click the link, you will get the questions. So first you will write your name and simply you click on the correct answer, and last submit. You can see your own score also. Is it clear? So after 10 to 20 minutes, I will conduct test. I am showing you textbook and will see all the contents one more time. And just see, this is our textbook. You are able to see it, Anmega?
Yes, sir.
So this is our, okay, okay. So this is our chapter heat. Heat is a form of energy and it gives us sensation of hotness, and we feel hot and cold only because of difference in temperature. When there is difference in temperature, heat always flow from higher temperature to lower temperature. We can also say heat always flow from higher, hotter end to colder end. And heat stop flowing when there is no difference in temperature. Thermometer is a device which gives us hotness or coldness, measurement of hotness or coldness. And this is clinical thermometer, traditional clinical thermometer. And normal human body temperature is about 37 degrees Celsius. And here is a king. This is the bulb, and mercury is the liquid which is used in it. Why mercury used? Because it does not wet, in proper expansion on heating. So temperature is a reliable measure of hotness and thermometer is a device. Then these are the precautions. We have to wash it before and after use, and bring down the level of mercury below 35. And while reading the thermometer, reading the level of mercury, keeping the level of mercury along the line of sight, and handle it with care, and don't hit on the hard surface, otherwise it will break. And don't hold the thermometer by the bulb while reading it, otherwise it will absorb the body heat. This is the right way to read a clinical thermometer. Then this is the laboratory thermometer, and the laboratory thermometer is ranges from -10 to 110 degrees Celsius, and clinical thermometer ranges 35 to 42 degrees Celsius. And one more type of thermometer, that is highest, maximum and minimum thermometer, and this gives us, it report the maximum temperature and minimum temperature during the 24 hours. Okay, beta? And laboratory thermometer we already discussed. Some precautions should be up. It should be kept upright, not tilted. Laboratory thermometer. And bulb should be surrounded from all the sides by the substance of which the temperature is to be measured. And the bulb should not touch the surface of the container from any side. And you can see here the bulb is not in contact with the bottom or on the side of the beaker. This is the kink which prevents the level of mercury fall. And this is the digital thermometer. And nowadays, thermal sensing thermometer are also very common. And there are three modes of transfer of heat. The first one is the conduction. Conduction, in which the heat transferred from the hotter end to the colder end without actual movement of the molecules. Molecules vibrate and they transfer heat from one point to another point. Convection, and before convection, all of you know about the good conductor and bad conductor of heat. Air is bad conductor and it does not allow heat to pass through it. This is convection. It is in the liquid as well as in solid. Actual movement of the particles takes place. Particles, first group of particles after getting heated become lighter and moves in upward direction. Heavier molecules settle down at the bottom, and in this way very soon a convection current flows through the liquid, and after some time the liquid start boiling. You can see this picture of a candle and our palm. Our palm is on first is on the just above the flame and second on the side, and we feel hot. This one which is on it, because air after getting heated become lighter and moves in upward direction. So one sentence should be in your mind. Air molecules after getting heated becomes lighter and moves in upward direction. This is very important. And one more, that is the radiation, where there is no medium required to transfer the heat. Sea breeze and land breeze is based on this concept कि after getting heated, air molecules become lighter and moves in upward direction. So I already discussed you about water takes longer time to heat and longer time to cool, and soil takes less time to heat and less time to cool. This is during the daytime. What happens? Soil becomes hot earlier and water is still cool in comparison to soil. So hot air moves in upward direction and the colder air from the water rush to fill this gap. And so during the daytime, the cool air from the water towards the land, this is called the sea breeze. And just reverse takes place in the night, and this is called the land breeze. Kind of clothes that should be wear during the winter and summer. In winter, we have to use dark color clothes because they absorb more heat, and in summer, light color, because light color objects reflect most of the heat that falls on it. Black color is a very good absorber, right? White is reflector. That's why we can conduct this experiment to check the temperature of water increases fast in which one, black or silver. Woolen clothes keep us warm because having a lot of pores, air trapped in the pores, air is very poor conductor of heat. It does not allow body heat to escape out through it, and we feel hot after using woolen clothes. So this was all about the water our textbook contains. So I think is clear to all of you. Any doubt you can ask me right now. Okay. So shall I share the link of multiple choice questions?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. I am going to share. Wait for some time. Okay. There are only 10 questions. So suggest me the time. 15 minutes or 10 minutes only?
10 minutes.
Okay.
10 minutes, sir.
Okay. In case of any request, we'll increase the time. You know, there is no problem. So wait, I am okay. How many of you are in favor of 10 minutes, 10 minutes, 10 minutes? Okay. All of you are, Arus is in favor of 5 minutes. Is 7th A. Yes, it is. Okay. link, copy. Let's check your chat box. You got the link?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
So it is 3:10. You can start attempting and giving answers. Vaishali, you got the chat. See the chat box and see the MCQ link. Those who joined just, if anybody is unable to get the link, please inform me. I will share it again.
So can you send one more time the link?
Yes,
सर आप फिर से लिंक सेंड कर सकते हैं?
yes, I am okay. मैं फिर से शेयर कर देता हूँ. लिंक ओपन हो रही है.
Sir, in question number 5, you have written that the breeze which flows from land to land in the days called.
1 minute. Link is opening or not?
No sir, not opening. Sir is saying sign in कर रहा है वो. Sign in कर रहा है.
Vyom, you open the link?
Yes, sir, I have opened.
It will be open. एक मिनट, I am changing that question. Okay, question number 5th I will tell you. From the sea towards the land. In question number 5th, from the sea towards the land during the daytime. All of you attending the questions? 3 minutes are already over.
Sir, I rejoined, so I don't able to see the link.
Okay, one more time. I am sharing it. I shared it again.
सर आपने 5th क्वेश्चन नंबर चेंज किया है तो सर वो आपने दूसरी लिंक भेजी तो उसमें वो चेंज होगा कि पहले वाले में हो जाएगा अपने आप?
मैंने चेंज नहीं किया है. I simply मैंने आप ही से बोल दिया है कि वो चेंज कर दीजिए उसको.
Sir, I have done. I have completed a test, and when I viewed my score, it is showing 0 marks.
There is some mistake in the setting. Don't worry about it. And in place of correct answer, it was an incorrect answer. हो गया है.
Sir, so what is the change to make?
You don't change anything. You simply attempt, and I will discuss the questions all again. Don't believe on the 0 marks or how many marks you obtained. Actually, there is a technical fault in the setting.
Sir saying you need a permission.
सर मेरा भी 0 ही दिखा रहा है.
No problem. I will discuss the question answers. है ना? You don't worry about, just attempt.
Sir he is saying you need a permission.
The permission you are joining from the SSV Gale ID, na?
Yes sir.
So there is all for the SSSV.
Okay sir. सर मेरा चालू क्यों नहीं हो रहा?
नितेश कोशिश करो बेटा।
सर मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ सर।
ओके कोई बात नहीं, आज एक टेस्टिंग हो रहा है, उसके बाद दोबारा फिर लेंगे तो पता चल जाएगा। सो हाउ मेनी 7 चिल्ड्रन ऑलरेडी कंप्लीटेड है ना। व्योम योर वर्क इज ओवर है ना। व्योम सबमिटेड, योगिता सबमिटेड, मृणालिनी सबमिटेड, अमय सबमिटेड, Ayan submitted, Anumega submitted, and Arpita submitted. Only 4 minutes left. Anumega, so your neighbor is suffering from corona positive. So
Sir, can you repeat?
your area is containment zone, है ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Arpita,
सर
like
देयर
to
इज सम
some.
Sir,
प्रॉब्लम इन
my
माय
neighbor is
टेस्ट सर।
suffering from corona.
सर मैंने
No
अभी कुछ
problem.
टेस्ट नहीं दिया है, लेकिन सर अपने आप पता नहीं सर।
Don't worry about it.
सर देयर इज
Don't
सम
worry
प्रॉब्लम
about it. Don't worry, just attempt, we'll
सर,
discuss
देयर
all.
इज सम
I
प्रॉब्लम
will. Yes, I know. I know
No.
there is a problem.
सर। यस सर।
Sir, वो submit नहीं हो रहा है.
Okay, no problem.
सर मेरे 0 मार्क्स आ रहे हैं।
What I said, just listen to me carefully. There is a
मेरे भी सर।
mistake. There, listen to me. There is a mistake in the formation in the calculation. So don't worry about the marks showing. Okay.
Sir, मैंने 4 बार try करा, चारों बार submit नहीं हो पा रहा
कोई
है.
बात नहीं. Okay, let me discuss the questions. Now stop doing it. We'll discuss all these questions. Okay? And I will ask questions one by one. Now, first question I will ask to Nitesh. Nitesh Meena, mute your mic, unmute your mic.
यस सर।
So listen to me carefully, beta. Process by which heat is transferred from hottest end to coldest end is called. And Nitish left the meeting. As I asked the questions, he left. Aros, how many times I will repeat the same thing? Don't ask me same thing again and again. Vaishali,
Patient is there.
Vaishali, Vaishali, Agrima,
Sir, Soumya.
यस
Sir,
सर।
Pankaj.
Agrima, what is the answer of first question? Process by which heat is transferred from hottest end to
कंडेंसेशन।
it is conduction, not condensation.
सॉरी।
Condensation is evaporation. Both are two water cycle step. So if you are thinking this is your answer of first question, you can score 2 marks. Conduction. Okay. Now next question is to Sarthak. Sarthak, you unmute your mic.
यस सर।
Second question, dark colored objects absorbs less heat than lighter ones, more heat than lighter ones, does not absorb heat, none of these.
सर none of these।
Wrong answer.
Soumya.
Wait. Sarakshi.
Yes, sir.
What is the correct answer of second question? Dark color object.
More heat than lighter ones.
Very good. It is more heat than lighter one. This is the answer of second question. Now the next is Vipul. Vipul Maheshwari.
यस सर।
Now is third question for you. In fluids, heat transfer takes place primarily due to conduction, convection, radiation, none of these. What is answer?
सर कहना है
वेट ये क्या कर रहा है? इतने दिनों से पढ़ रहा है कि सिर्फ यहाँ पर अटेंडेंस लगाता है? विपुल, व्हाट इज द करेक्ट आंसर? मृणालिनी,
Sir, convection.
convection is correct answer. Fluid means
राइट
what does it?
यस सर
Fluid means water and liquid and gases, commonly known as fluid. Okay. Now next question is for Amay. Are you there?
यस सर
Next question.
It is showing 0 marks.
Ayan, how many times I told you there is a technical problem? You don't worry about the marks. Okay. Now, fourth question: the degree of hotness or coldness of a body is measured by its
टेम्परेचर
temperature. Okay.
यस सर
Now, next question, Sanika. The cold air blowing from the ये क्वेश्चन थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ है. The cold air blowing from the water to land during the day is called. Sarakshi.
Sea breeze.
Okay. So are you Sarakshi, Pankti?
No, sir, but I know the answer.
Acha. Arush.
Yes, sir.
What is land breeze?
So what?
What is land breeze?
Land breeze. So land breeze is the process of in which the cold air blows from sea to land. I mean
Sea to land.
Land to
land to sea.
land to
Land
sea.
to sea. That
प्लान टू सी
is land breeze. Okay. Now next question is for 1 minute. Okay, Soumya is very interested in giving answer. Soumya Didi, a wooden spoon is dipped in a cup of ice cream. The other end becomes cold by the process of conduction, becomes cold by the process of convection, becomes cold by the process of radiation, does not become cold. What not?
Does not become cold
Why?
because it is an insulator.
What is insulator?
It is an insulator.
वेरी
Okay.
The object which do not allow heat to pass through them are known as insulators.
The ice cream cup is insulator or wooden spoon is insulator?
Wooden
Wooden spoon is,
बोथ
wooden spoon.
yes. Wooden mainly our question is for the wooden spoon and that is insulator. So we does not feel very cold. ये हमारी ये स्पून है, ये आइसक्रीम कप है. बहुत आइसक्रीम खा रहे हैं आप लोग आजकल, है ना? तो when we dip in the spoon, we can, without feeling cold, we can remove the ice cream from the cup. Yes, Soumya? Now next question.
Yes, sir. अगर वो इंसुलेटर नहीं होती तो हम उसे पकड़ नहीं पाते हाथ में ठंडी की
ठंडा
वजह
ठंडा
से.
लगता है. अच्छा, मुंह में तो आपको बड़ा ठंडा ठंडा अच्छा लगता है ना when we eat ice cream,
Yes.
है ना? कितना अच्छा लगता है ना? अच्छा, should we eat the things which are very cold nowadays? Catherine,
No.
are you Catherine? Catherine is disappear again. Ayan, unmute your mic, beta. आयन कहाँ घूम रहा है? आयन, अनम्यूट योर माइक. Next question. The objects made of steel, mica, wood and brass are lying in the same room during winter season. The objects
Sir, may-
which will feel warmer to touch are. इनमें से हमको सबसे ज्यादा कौन सा वो लगेगा ठंडा? Yes.
कहना है
Yes. Yes, Lex.
सर स्टील एंड ब्रास.
Furniture.
Why?
सर स्टील एंड ब्रास.
Why? Arush, why?
Sir, they are conductors of.
Because they are conductors.
माइका,
Sir, because they are good conductors.
माइका को हिंदी में
Sir,
कहते
they are
हैं
good
योगिता
conductors.
अभ्रक, और ये एक प्रकार
Sir, mic.
it is a bad conductor. The process which can transfer heat through the vacuum as well as air is. Who will give answer?
Radiation.
Radiation. Okay, radiation. So radiation is the method of transfer of heat where no medium is required. Now next question is to Sanika. The convection currents in air transfer heat downwards, upwards. Sanika Didi. Yes, Yogita.
सर कहना है.
Yogita.
Yes, sir.
Question is,
Yes,
the
sir.
convection currents in air transfer heat downwards, upwards, downwards as well as upwards or sideways.
Sir,
Why
I
you
think
think
upwards.
upwards?
Sir, sure नहीं हूँ.
Vyo,
सर कहना है
It
सौम्या.
moves upwards
why it moves
because
upwards?
water air is lighter than air.
Okay.
Sir, may I please?
Lighter than.
Any lighter thing goes in upward direction. Okay, now last question. Last question to Catherine. Catherine, unmute your mic. Okay, Mrinalini. Pankti.
हाँ सर.
से एक भी क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछा.
Pankti, the normal temperature of a healthy
सर
person
मैंने बीच बीच में बोला है.
is 37 degrees. On which scale?
Celsius.
On which scale? Celsius.
Celsius. Celsius.
Okay.
सर ये कोई क्वेश्चन. सर ये कोई क्वेश्चन होता है.
27 डिग्री सेल्सियस.
कहना है आपने मुझसे कोई भी.
सर अच्छा है एक भी नहीं पूछा.
Okay, beta, listen to me. Don't talk like this. Catherine, earphone is not working. Okay, no problem. And now this chapter is over. Is all of you are able to listen to me? Chapter is over. And I am receiving the PDF. You can open your camera. I would like to see you all. Especially those who are not in frame many days, since many days. Yes. So, any doubt to any student? Actually, when I see your face and you see my face, there is a live interaction. Then only I can feel like you are understanding, you are taking interest. If you all keep your camera off, only DP I will see. So that is not the matter of. So to create interest, it is for all of us. So this chapter, hello Adit, how are you?
Fine,
Very good. So you can see I am in a school uniform, but you not a single child in a school uniform. No problem. So you can. Bete, very important thing is that कि हमारी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस कब तक चलेंगी हमको नहीं मालूम है, इसलिए हमें इसी को अपनी क्लासेस मानना ही होगा, और जितनी जल्दी हम मान लेंगे उतना जल्दी हम उतना फायदे में रहेंगे. नहीं तो क्या होगा कि अरे हाँ कल से तो लग जाएंगे, अगले महीने से लग जाएंगे, who knows? We can't say anything about the when school reopen. So take online classes as our regular classes. We all know that we can't replace our regular classes by the virtual classes. But this is the best option available to all of us. You can't come to school, we can't go outside, all of you, because of this pandemic. So take interest, do your study regularly. We already finished 4 chapters. Nutrition in plants, nutrition in animals. And what was the 3rd chapter, Amey?
Fiber to fabric.
Fiber to fabric. And this is the 4th chapter. This is heat. So I hope you all understand these 4 chapters. Is there any doubt? You can send me your doubt to my personal window. Is it clear to all? Because you have to attempt all the questions. Yes, Adit? You have to attempt all the questions. And one more task I am giving you. When you go through the chapter from your textbook, make as many as questions you can make from the textbook. आप अपनी एनसीईआरटी टेक्स्ट बुक से बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस फ्रेम कर सकते हैं, तो आप उसमें से जितने क्वेश्चंस बना सकते हैं, you can frame these questions. Okay, and our next chapter will be, I think, acid, bases, and salt. So we will discuss it on next class. So I am generally asking some questions. Okay. Yogita, I am asking questions to you.
Yes, sir.
What is the temperature range of laboratory thermometer? Instantly give me answer.
What, sir?
What is the temperature range of laboratory thermometer?
Sir, I don't know.
Ayan, quick answer. What is the range of laboratory thermometer? Don't see in the book. Keep your camera open. I would like to see your face. Otherwise, you see in the notebook. What is the range? What is the range of laboratory thermometer, Ayan? Yes.
Sir,
Yes, Arosh.
Sir, from -10 to
Arosh.
Sir, from -10 to 110 degrees Celsius.
Minus 10
-10 degree Celsius.
minus 10 to 110 degrees Celsius. Now, next question. Very simple. Sanika. जिससे पूछो वो भाग जाता है क्या? सानिका, अर्पिता.
Yes, sir.
Arpita, beta, what is the range of clinical thermometer?
Sir, I don't know.
Adit?
7 degrees Celsius.
Sir, 37. The range of clinical thermometer is 37 degrees Celsius to.
It is from 35 to 42. 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. ये हाल है. Already chapter is over, but we don't know what are the differences between clinical and laboratory thermometer. ये देख रहे हैं? What is this? This is the best tool to learn, and I can transfer through the radiation on virtual classes also. Okay, don't think I can't reach there. Through my voice, I can give you. So be ready for this. and take complete interest. Understood? Okay, next question to Agrima. Agrima say yes, sir. Where is Agrima? Agrima, unmute your mic.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Name 3 ways in which heat can flow or transferred.
Radiation, convection, conduction.
Radiation, convection, and conduction. Very good. Okay.
I am give the answer, not agree.
Okay. Pankti, you want to give answer?
I gave this answer.
You gave this answer.
Yes, sir.
Not Agrima.
Yes, sir.
Agrima did not say anything.
No,
So I
sir.
think she is not there. She is not there. Oh my God, what a Agrima. Okay. Name the process. This question is for Vyom.
Yes, sir.
Name the process by which water in a beaker gets heated by the burner kept below it.
Conduction.
Water in a beaker gets heated by the burner kept below
Convection.
it. Convection.
Convection.
Sir,
Convection.
irradiation.
Convection.
And
Convection.
Amay.
Sir, Lakshya. Sir, Lakshya.
Acha, next question I will ask. Okay, Laksh, then Amay. First Laksh, then Amay. Okay, Laksh. Name the process by which air above the candle flame gets heated.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. मैंने अभी दिया था.
Name the process.
Sir, convection.
Conduction. Amen. Name the process by which air above the candle flame gets heated.
Sir. Sir, no, sir. Convection.
Convection. It is, yes, correct.
Radiation.
I'm
Sir,
unable to get
convection.
the-
Sir, I said convection.
Convection is correct.
Convection.
Yes, you are right. Yes, yes, yes. Okay.
Sir, I said.
And now, next question to
Yes, sir.
Mrinalini. Are you able to hear my voice? Mrinalini. Roshni. Sanika. Sarakshi. No one is able to my voice. Very bad voice. Yes, Anumega. You are able to. Very good, Miss. Very good, Miss Raji.
Yes, sir.
Okay, question is for Anumega.
Sir, I am able to hear.
Which
Yes,
of
sir.
which of the following is a better conductor of heat and which of the following is a better reflector of heat and which one is better absorber of heat? So we have to find out better absorber and better reflector. So you will give answer only better reflector, shiny white surface or dull black surface.
Dull black.
Shiny black surface.
Shiny white surface is better reflector. Abhishek Dhakad. Abhishek Dhakad.
Yes, sir.
Which one is a better absorber? Shiny white surface or dull black surface?
Dull black surface.
Who told?
Arush.
Arush, don't say.
Arush.
Sarakshi, what is correct answer? Dull black. Pankti, you give answer. Better absorber. Pankti.
Sir, मुझे नहीं देना आंसर.
Sir, may I please?
Okay. Yes, Yogita, yes.
Sir, dull black.
Dull black surface is a better absorber of heat. So now we will discuss. और आपके क्लास के कुछ बच्चे क्लास और ज्वाइन नहीं कर रहे हैं, तो जस्ट फाइंड आउट व्हाट इज द रीजन. ओके, join your hands and ready for Shanti part. Oh, Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Sai Ram, children.